On today's menu, a simple recipe that's a piece of cake. A delicious yaki, onigiri. Lei hong ma, that's how's going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung from youngmancooking.com. Welcome to the channel where we can cook with confidence. This recipe is easy to make, really delicious, makes the perfect snack or appetizer. Let's begin. Place 1 cup of sushi rice into a small saucepan. Rinse and drain the rice 2 to 3 times to get rid of the excess starch. One cup water. Heat up the rice on medium-high heat. When the water begins to bubble, give the rice a good stir. Turn the heat to medium-low, then cover and cook for 15 minutes. Canned chickpeas. Rinse and drain the chickpeas with some water. Half cup chickpeas. A splash of toasted sesame oil. Pinch of salt. A pinch of crushed chili flakes. Use a fork to mash up the chickpeas. Really nice and easy. Now we're just going to make that really simple miso flavoring. 1 tablespoon miso paste. 1 teaspoon cane sugar. Splash of toasted sesame oil. 1 teaspoon rice vinegar. A couple tablespoons hot water. Mix and combine well. After 15 minutes, turn the heat off and let the rice steam further for another 10 minutes. Transfer the rice to a mixing bowl. One tablespoon sesame seeds. Mix. Divide the rice into 4 equal portions. Have a sheet of parchment paper ready. Have your hands damp with some water so the rice won't stick to them, and place 1 portion of the rice on your hand and gently flatten. Scoop about a tablespoon of the chickpea filling into the center of the rice. Fold the rice into the filling and shape into a puck. Don't be afraid to use some firm pressure. Repeat with the other portions of rice until you have 4 delicious looking pillows. You can try different ingredients for a new filling every time. Those look amazing already, and if you love easy and delicious recipes like that, then definitely check out or pick up your copy of one of the 3 Young Men Cooking cookbooks. This has most of the favorite recipes from the cooking show here on YouTube. You can take a sneak peek inside or order your copy, digital or print, in the link in the description box below. Now, let's get cooking. Non-stick pan. Medium heat. A drizzle of avocado oil. Carefully place in the rice balls. Spoon over some of the miso mixture onto the rice. Carefully flip and sear for about a minute. Spoon on some of the miso mixture on the other side. Carefully flip again and sear for another minute. Careful not to sear for too long, for the rice can burn. Plate. Garnish with some green onions. And a sprinkle of sesame seeds. You can now enjoy these delicious onigiris with absolute confidence. Man, they just look so adorable. I almost don't even want to eat it. That is just such a nice little treat. These look just absolutely stunning. It has that beautiful golden brown color from that sear, which is how you achieve that extraordinary kind of layer of crispy rice. You get this really nice bright flavor from that miso mixture. Has that sweetness, that umami, a little tanginess from the rice vinegar, and that amazing fragrance from the toasted sesame oil. That sushi rice is fluffy, it's warm, it's comforting, and then there's this incredible filling that's just simple and yet a nice surprise. The chili flakes in that chickpea filling adds this little bit of a kick. Definitely one of those simple, rustic, amazing dishes that doesn't require a lot of ingredients, yet is so extraordinarily delicious. These little guys would be great to pack for camping or just for a nice little lunch. If you love easy and delicious recipes like that, then definitely check out or pick up your copy of one of the 3 Young Men Cooking cookbooks and to take a sneak peek inside, or to check out the Young Men Cooking merch and plant-based sushi masterclass. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check all those things out. And if you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, definitely do so you won't miss a single episode.